Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your device has at least one text-to-speech voice installed and that the app has permission to play notifications. Once done, open Settings and navigate to Sound and Vibration or Accessibility depending on your OS. You need to locate the Notifications or App Sounds area right away. This is where the voice options live. Make sure any system TTS engine is selected as default, so the notification voice can be changed by You now pick the app you want to change and open its notification settings. Once there, tap Notification Tone or Advanced Settings, then find Text-to-Speech or Voice selection. You'll see a list of installed voices and engines. Select one and use the preview button to hear it. While listening, adjust pitch and speed so the voice sounds natural for short alerts, because those settings affect intelligibility. If the desired voice isn't listed, return and choose a different TTS engine or install an extra voice pack. You finish by saving your selection and immediately testing it with a preview or a real notification. Confirm volume and do not disturb are off. If the voice doesn't play, make sure the app has notification permission and the TTS engine is set as default in settings. Once done, try clearing the app cache or reinstalling the TTS engine. That often fixes mismatches. If you still have issues, reboot the device and retest to ensure the new notification voice loads correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.